Welcome, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. In this video, we're going to talk about how to condition yourself for success in anything. Got a really good video for you guys. We're going to talk about conditioning yourself for success. These principles that I'm going to go over in this video, there's been books written about them, documentaries, movies, and I'm going to share a few of them with you. So be sure to like this video, all right? So there's actually 6 things we're going to go over. And without wasting any further time, guys, let's get into number 1, accepting the past. Many people from across the world, they grow up with past trauma, me included, from things that they've gone through in their past. The past is history. We cannot change it. So the only thing we truly can do is accept everything that we've gone through and thank God that we're still alive, so that every day we wake up, we can change our situation no matter what it is, all right? Don't ridicule yourself. Don't beat yourself up. Don't blame yourself. The past is history. And every day that we wake up, we have a new chance to shape our future. That's what's most important. Success principle number 2, water your seed. Everything starts out as an idea, guys. Everything in this world started out as an idea. Airplanes, shoes, cars, everything was just an idea before it actually manifested and became a reality. So you must value your ideas, you must value your greatness, your opinion, your thoughts. They matter, all right? If you want to go somewhere, if you want to be somebody, then you better wake up and pay attention. Comment down below if you know the line from that movie that I just quoted from. So I want you to water your seed, value your ideas because they matter. And that's the first step into succeeding and conditioning yourself for success in anything. Success principle number 3, die hard decision. You've got to make a die hard decision for whatever you're trying to accomplish. Me getting back with YouTube, for you guys been watching my channel for a while, some of you guys know that I quit doing YouTube. I quit marketing for almost 5 years, right? That would have made a huge difference in my channel and my income and my influence online and what I'm trying to build and who I'm trying to inspire. You've got to be committed in anything that you're trying to accomplish and understand that results won't happen overnight. Understand that this is a long-term game that you've got to grind out day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year until you get your results. So you definitely got to see this as a long-term game. You have to make a die-hard decision, draw the line in the sand, and knowing that you're never going to go back to the way things used to be. All it takes is one serious decision. Smash that like button if you're enjoying the video so far, and let's get into success principle number 4. Write it down. You must write your ideas down. You can't just leave them in your head and thinking that you're going to go out into the world and manifest them. There's a success principle that you have to follow when it comes to manifesting things in real life, because it's not just thinking about them. You have to think about them first. Then you have to write them down so that you can see them. And this helps keep you guys accountable. I'm not sure if you guys seen the video where I displayed my vision board that I created. You need to see your goals, not only in your head and in your thoughts, but you need to visualize them and see them. Having a journal, writing them down. One thing I like to use is sticky notes, right? Having a to-do list on things that I need to accomplish throughout the day or throughout the week. This helps keep me accountable so that I do them, right? We can't remember everything. We have to write stuff down. I believe that the human brain only retains like 10% or something from a conversation, right? And if you write down notes from a conversation, I think you'll retain about 20%. But this stuff matters, guys. It matters when you're trying to accomplish your goals, when you really want to achieve something. You must write them down, put them in a journal, or create a vision board so that you can see these things daily. Success principle number 5, commitment. I remember there was an interview Will Smith did back in the day to where he said he was willing to die on the treadmill if you were next to him before he quit and you beat him, right? As a competition. His heart would have to stop beating and he would have to die on the treadmill before you beat him. That is commitment. You got to be willing to go much further than the pain, much further than the ups and downs of life. Because there's always going to be ups and downs, guys. It's the roller coaster of life, right? You need to have that die-hard commitment for whatever you're trying to achieve. I'm committed to making a full-time living from home. I'm committed to inspiring people. I'm committed to creating content that helps people, that inspires people, that motivates people, that educates people. That's my commitment. And whatever you're trying to do, whatever you want to accomplish, you must be willing to die. That's a little extreme, of course, but in the sense, you must not quit. Comment locked in if you're willing to change your situation, if you're willing to change your life, and if you're willing to learn these success principles so that you can condition yourself for success in anything. I want you to comment locked in right now in the comment box, all right? And let's continue. So this last success principle on how to condition yourself for success in anything is principle number 6, accountability partner. Now, it's been proven that it makes it much easier to achieve any goal that you have if you're either a part of a team that's doing it, or if you have somebody that can keep you accountable, or if you're a solopreneur like me, keeping yourself accountable somehow. Or you can even do it online. If you don't have a friend or a family member that you can reach out to, somebody that you can talk to on a daily basis, there are forums out there. There are Facebook groups, right? There are communities, people with the same ideas that you're trying to achieve, the same goals that you may try to achieve. You must align yourself with people that are trying to do the things that you're trying to accomplish. That's just the truth, right? Eagles fly with eagles. You have to align yourself and put yourself in the same atmosphere, because this helps you when you have bad days. This helps you when you feel like quitting. This helps you when you feel like giving up. You may see somebody that's just started and they're excited and like, man, hey, I just started this new thing. You know, this is the career path I want to go down. I've only got a little bit of results, but I'm glad that I got started. And this will help propel you to the next step when you want to give up, when you want to quit, when you want to throw in the towel, right? Having somebody to keep you accountable, either a friend or a family member, or finding an online community, YouTube University. You can learn almost anything on YouTube alone, right? There's blogs out there, all these different type of communities, guys. So find someone or some type of community that you can get locked in and that you can have an accountability partner to make sure that you achieve the goals that you're trying to reach. It is imperative that you get your mind right, that you write these goals down, that you stay committed, and that you get serious. You draw that line in the sand saying you're never going to go back to normal, you're never going to go back to average, and you stick it out. The only reason Nipsey Hussle became famous is because he stuck it out. He didn't quit. Kobe Bryant, people love Kobe Bryant because of his work ethic. He was determined to get better and he wouldn't quit. Playing through injuries, all right? So that's all I got for you in this video, guys. Smash that like button if you got anything from this video, guys. I just want to share some valuable tips with you so that you guys can propel your lives in your success journey, all right? Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep being the best that you can be. God bless you.